What's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to be doing some mold removal. Customer told me that he took the car out in the morning, and then it rained that night, and he didn't pull the car back in the garage. Normally the car is garage kept. Next day, when you woke up, it was mold everywhere in there. So he called me up, says if I can take care of it. I told him I will come pick it up because I do have a hazmat suit I can put on. Funny thing though, if you can picture this, I'm driving down the main street, taking it from his house to my house in a hazmat suit and the respirator in this tiny little car. It's pretty funny to see. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So the first thing I did was I took all the seats out, and then I just start basically vacuuming what I can. Whatever mold is on there that's dry, I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna get all the crumbs out of here. I'm gonna see what's wet and what's left, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that. So that's what I'm doing now. Is I'm going through vacuuming everything up I can and hoping to get what I can out, and I'll show you what we do next. So I picked the car up Friday right after work. I'm still in my work clothes and I'm working on the car. One of the reasons why I started this Friday afternoon or Friday evening is I want to run the ozone in here, and my garage is insulated, so I can basically have everything dry out. So whatever I clean up has the ability to dry overnight, and I can use the ozone to dissipate all the air out of there. But I did want to run that, so that's one of the reasons why I kind of want to start this Friday, so I can get it back to him on Saturday. So what I'm doing with the seats is I'm spraying Finisher from PNS. Finisher assists in reducing water stains, mold, and mildew odors, as well as finalized stain removal. Finisher breaks down into oxygen and water, leaving no chemical residue left behind that requires further removal. So it's gonna attack that mold for me. So I'm just taking a little detail brush here from Gion. I'm just gonna kind of like soak it in a little bit, but not saturate. Just spray a little stuff on there, put a little bit in there, and then with Express, I'm cleaning on the framing of it. There wasn't no mold here on this side, on the bottom, but I am going to steam clean it anyways, and that was my decision to do here. So anytime I use steam and with combination with mold, always have a respirator that is, I believe it's a P100 that's mold resistant. That's the one I'm wearing right now, and wear gloves. I do have a hazmat suit, but since I'm basically taking everything out and I'm working on the table here, I'll have the suit off. After I let Finisher sit on there for a while, I'll come back with Terminator from PNS. Then I'm going to take the different interior brush. This is from Gion. They're pretty cheap, and I'll use this brush here to basically now get all the stains and spots and basically clean it up now. And then I'm gonna come back with my steam and a towel and wipe everything off, and that's my process so far. And you still must wear the mask while you're doing this process. The steamer I'm using is the McCulloch 1385. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. Also, but then Saturday morning, or Saturday afternoon, when I'm working on this car, my new Chief steamer came in. So towards the end of this video, you'll see the new Chief steamer, but in the meantime, I kept using the McCulloch 1385. Gives me about 52 psi of pressure. My new Chief steamer though gives me 110. I'm loving it. So if you guys are looking at getting a steamer, the McCulloch 1385 is a great steamer, and I'll have a link for you in the description down below. So here's my new Chief steamer. I'm using the vacuum attachment on there. I did get the bundle where you can get the steam vac attachment. Oh man, this thing is freaking awesome. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna steam vac the bottom part of these mats here, get all the seats back in, and then I'm gonna switch the attachments out and put the just the tip on there so I can get that good pressure to 110 psi. Boy, you can feel it too. You made it this far in the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about how it came out? Let me know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.